Have you ever stopped and asked yourself, where is all my time going? You wake up, you scroll your phone, you get busy, and suddenly, the day is gone. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow looks just like today. Today, you will learn something powerful. You will understand how to use your time, and you will practice your English. Slowly, peacefully. This is slow English listening practice. You don't have to speak. You don't have to repeat. Just listen. Calmly, carefully. Let every sound, every word, touch your mind. You can listen again and again. Each time, you'll understand more. You'll feel more confident, more focused, more awake. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath. Now, let's begin our slow journey together. Time is not just a clock. It's life itself. Every second that passes is a piece of your story. When you waste time, you lose a part of your life, a moment that will never return. You can earn money again, but not a lost minute. You can fix a mistake, but not yesterday. Time is the most valuable thing you own, but we spend it as if it were free. We scroll, we wait, we delay. We say, someday, I'll do it. But someday is not on the calendar. There is only today. Sometimes we don't act because we're afraid. Afraid to fail, afraid to look foolish, afraid to start small. But fear is just a shadow. It looks big, but disappears when you move toward it. Other times, we delay because we want things perfect. We wait for the perfect plan, the perfect time, the perfect mood. But perfection is an illusion. If you wait for perfect, you'll wait forever. Some people say, I don't have time. But often, it's not a lack of time. It's a lack of focus. We all have 24 hours. The question is, how do you spend yours? Maybe you spend hours thinking, instead of doing. Maybe you watch others live their dreams, while your own dreams sleep. Every minute you spend doubting yourself, someone else is using that minute to grow. You cannot control how much time you have, but you can control how you use it. Big success is built from small actions. Every great artist once painted their first line. Every great speaker once said their first nervous word. Every strong person once felt weak, but began anyway. You don't need to run fast. You just need to keep walking. Even one small step each day makes a big difference over time. Imagine learning one new English word each morning. After 1 year, you will know hundreds. Imagine reading just 10 pages daily. After 1 year, you'll finish many books. Small steps create big change. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. You may think, it's too late for me. But the truth is, it's never too late to begin. You can start at any age, from any place. What matters is that you start. So ask yourself, what's one small thing you can do today that your future self will thank you for? Fear is the thief of time. It whispers, what if you fail? But you must answer. What if I never try? Many people waste time because of comfort. Comfort feels safe, but nothing grows there. When you choose comfort, you lose growth. When you choose effort, you find purpose. Laziness is not just doing nothing. It's also doing what doesn't matter. Checking notifications, complaining, gossiping. These things fill your time, but not your life. If you want to feel proud, use your time wisely. Do something that builds you. Do something that matters. There will be days when you feel tired. Days when progress feels slow. That's okay. Rest if you must. But don't stop. Even one small action keeps the fire alive. Even one small movement breaks the chain of delay. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every winner once wanted to quit. But they didn't waste time. They learned. They tried again. They grew stronger. Your dreams are waiting for you, but they won't wait forever. The past is gone. The future hasn't come yet. All you truly have is this moment. What are you doing with it? Are you living it, or just passing through it? When you sit quietly and feel your breath, you realize time is not something outside you. It's inside you, flowing with every heartbeat. The best way to honor time is to live fully now. Be present. Be aware. When you talk with someone, really listen. When you eat, enjoy each bite. When you study English, focus with love, not pressure. Life is not a race. It's a collection of moments. Every moment well lived is a victory. Don't rush, but don't waste. Move slowly, but move with purpose. If you want peace, simplify your time. Spend less time worrying, more time doing, less time comparing, more time improving, less time talking, more time living. Your time is your life. Protect it. Respect it. Value it. You cannot buy time. You can only spend it wisely. Once it's gone, it never returns. So stop saying, "I'll do it later." Say, "I'll do it now." Stop waiting for the right mood. Start creating the right habits. Every sunrise is a new chance, a new page, waiting for your actions. When you finish today, ask yourself, did I use my time well? Did I grow? Even a little? Did I spend time on what matters? If the answer is yes, you're already winning. And if the answer is no, that's okay. Tomorrow is another chance. But promise yourself, you won't waste it again. Remember this: 1 hour wasted today becomes 1 regret tomorrow, but 1 hour used well becomes 1 step closer to your dream. Choose wisely. Your time is your power. Thank you for listening. You did something amazing today. You practiced English and learned a life lesson. Listen to this talk again tomorrow. Each time, you'll understand more. Comment below one thing you learned today, and don't forget to subscribe for more slow English lessons and motivational talks. Take care. Use your time well. And remember, don't waste your time. Before you go, let's talk about one simple idea: the power of one day. You see, Life is not built in years. It's built one day at a time. And each day is like a seed. Whatever you plant, grows. If you plant laziness, you grow regret. If you plant effort, you grow success. If you plant kindness, you grow peace. And if you plant learning, you grow wisdom. Every morning is like opening a new book, blank pages, waiting for your story. The question is, what will you write today? You don't need a perfect plan. You only need a clear choice to do something that moves you forward, even if it's small, even if no one sees it, even if it feels slow. Keep planting, keep growing, because one day you'll look back and realize those tiny efforts were not tiny at all. They built your strength, your confidence, your future. Many people regret the things they didn't do, not the things they tried and failed, but the things they never began. They say, "I wish I started earlier. I wish I used my time better. I wish I didn't wait so long." Don't let that be your story. Let your story be different. Let it be full of courage, effort, and learning. It's okay to make mistakes, because mistakes mean you were moving, you were trying, you were alive. The real failure is standing still, doing nothing, wasting your time. So next time you feel afraid, remember this. You don't need to be fearless. You just need to be brave. For one small moment, time is not your enemy. It's your teacher, your guide, your silent friend. It tells you what matters most. It whispers, "Don't rush. Just live with meaning." You can't add more hours to your life, but you can add more life to your hours. When you use your time well, you feel peace inside. You feel proud of yourself. You sleep better. You smile more. You begin to see that happiness is not found in having more time. It's found in using your time for what you love. So take a moment now. Think of 3 things that are truly important to you. It could be your dream, your family, your learning. Now promise yourself you will give them your best time. Not what's left over, but your best. Close your eyes for a second and imagine your future self, the person you want to become. See them smiling, confident, peaceful, grateful. They're living the life you dream of because they used their time well. They didn't waste it. They built it, day by day, action by action, choice by choice. Now open your eyes and remember that future self begins today with the choices you make right now. So go live your day, not fast, but with focus, not perfect, but with purpose. And before you sleep tonight, ask yourself one gentle question. Did I use my time well today? If yes, smile. If no, try again tomorrow. Because every sunrise is a new beginning. You are not late. You are right on time. Just don't waste it. This was your slow English moment, your calm time to learn, to think, to grow. Thank you for spending your minutes here. Now go and make your hours meaningful. Don't waste your time. Because time is life.